Hello friends, welcome to the old hottest bike lock. Let us have a look. This is the lock which I have made. We will go through this. It is very simple. Place it here like this. This is the securing stud. Once you fit that, that's all. Your bike is locked. It is such a heavy one. You can have a look. This is the model which I have made in security. It is the very strongest one. You can lock it to the back wheel also. I will show you. It's locked now. It is the simple one, but it will take some time to make that. Suppose if anyone want to cut with the cutter also, why? Because the diameter of this is much and this is of steel. This is the size 9.5 tons, 1/8 chain. You can pass through this. You can lock like this also. If someone want to remove the chain, either he has to break the chain, otherwise he has to break the D-lock. It will be difficult for the thief and also it will take some time, so he will not attempt to steal your vehicle or car. Let us meet again.